Hey there, we're Krystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And come along with us today as we post a video every day for our first 30 days in the van.
Today is day 3 of van life, and I'm sick. But I'm not sick of van life. We're gonna power through, and we're actually gonna have some fun today.
We are going to the Container Store.
Is that not every 31-year-old's dream? Like, just to go to the Container Store?
I can't think of something better.
That's the Disney World for adults.
So we're gonna bring you along, we're gonna talk through our thought process and see what kind of crazy bins we get.
You've never been to a Container Store?
No, never before.
Woo! Okay, let's go.
People think that they need it for fridges, but no, you can put your underwear in it. And that's 3 aisles down.
Did you hear how much?
I'd rather not say.
I think we'll be really happy with everything.
Well, I learned
Hopefully.
today that you can either get organized or get a PlayStation 5. What even is this cabinet?
It's gonna be a spot by the time I'm done with it. There it is.
Like we have enough stuff to put stuff in?
Yeah, I hope.
Now this may seem excessive, and it probably is.
It is.
But we did go a little overboard because one of the benefits of having the van is that we just took it right from the store out to the parking lot. We're gonna make sure that it all fits the way we have measured it to. And if it doesn't, we can always just take it right back.
Which I still feel so weird about doing.
It's allowed.
I know, but it feels you can do it.
Do you think it's weird? I want your feedback. Tell us down below, would you do this?
Hopefully nothing goes back.
So much for the return theory. Unless this is cool. So I'll kick things off with these two 10 by 10 by 10 bins, clear, for clothes. The clothes are falling right out of the overhead bin every time I open it, so I think this will keep things organized in like tops and bottoms, and then I can see through them because of the clear element. So I can grab it and go. We'll see. See? It does fit perfect, actually. Check it out. That is incredible.
So for my clothes, I went for a little bit more organization element instead of just the bins because mine are smaller and I can just roll them up. And I was hoping that I'd be able to just kind of pull these out. Let's see if that works. You can really keep things separated in a way that I can't right now. I think this is a win.
Yay!
For the sink, we have a little sponge holder.
Matches. Perfect.
Since I have garbage to throw away, garbage cans! And your favorite feature.
The handle. Now I can take this with me wherever I go.
And you will have to empty it.
Honestly, yeah, to empty it and to put it in the garage, and then also it goes right here on our shoe rack and looks pretty solid. These were also for the trash at one time. Straight up.
I think they might be cool to use though.
Not metal. Nope, you'll find some. The actual door.
Yeah, maybe not, huh?
Awesome. Cable ties and cable labels for two very different things, actually. Cable ties, actually for cables. We have many, many, many different chargers in here. This is gonna help keep them all together. The cable labels, though. We have a shower curtain for the toilet. It's been hard to figure out which goes where when hanging on the magnets. These color labels are gonna help us figure that out, so we don't have to spend all that time hanging. This is gonna be really good. And whose idea was this?
Mine.
Heck yeah.
Mine.
Good job, Krystal.
I'm really excited about that. This, Eric was not sold on.
This looks like it's urine collection to do a drug test.
Oh my god. And so we're gonna see if we can sell him on it. I just wanted this to store our utensils because I wanted our utensils to store it vertically, like up and down to save space, and we'll see. Oh my god, I love it already. I'm so excited. Yes! Do you like it now?
Oh, it's so good. Let me see.
I like it now. Look, it looks so good. While we're on the topic of cutlery and food, we also got these randomized drawers just for whatever type of dry food we want to fit in here. So we haven't exactly figured out how this is gonna go, but we wanted to bring some level of organization to the dry food, knowing that the dry food might be different on different weeks depending on what we're eating.
One
you
apple.
might want to organize small things. No, not how you use organizers.
Organized now.
No.
I'm organized now.
That apple is gross, by the way.
Yeah, we gotta get rid of this apple, yo.
That's disgusting.
Ugh. We have a 4-inch but tall and long organizer. I just love that they have almost one of every kind in there because this was very specific for a strange space underneath of the sink that we would love to have for, oh gosh. Oh no, now we're stuck. The strange space underneath the sink next to our gray water tank.
It's gonna be
a tight one. All right, no,
Yes.
it's literally perfect.
Yes!
That's awesome. Wow. Look at this. Watch what happens next. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Oh, I love to see it.
Boom.
That's organization. Yeah, throw that
that's
in.
incredible. Why not?
Yay.
Why not just...
That won't fit.
Okay, but you know, you get the idea. It's exciting.
We had to visit the junk drawer, which is kind of our miscellaneous things that we have been using often or will use often. And so we bought a series of organizers. Let's see how this shapes up.
What was cool about this section of the store is that they had a grid system where you can measure out the dimensions of your drawer and then plug and play and come up with different potential solutions for the space. Hopefully we did it right.
And these are actually really nice because we were debating whether or not to put shelf liners in to keep things from moving, but you can tell this is not going anywhere. They have these little feet on the bottom, little rubber feet. So we actually don't have to put a shelf liner in this specific drawer.
And to wrap it all up, got some command strips for hanging, and then this awesome hanging folding toiletry bag for me. Krystal already has one, she's inspired me. We need to keep all of our bathroom stuff because we have so little room in here in a self-contained unit. Right now I just have a bag filled with stuff that I have to dig through. This folds up to that same size, but then can be unfolded and hung, and I can see through it. Krystal, great idea. And then last but not least, certainly this little mouse rug instead of a mouse pad. I know it's not about organization, but isn't it cool?
So we clearly have a couple more things to figure out. I think we learned a hard lesson today that organization sometimes gets things a little messier before it gets better.
Oh boy, having trouble remembering where things go. But we're on the right track. I'm really happy, really proud. The Container Store was a huge win,
Yeah.
and I think Crate and Barrel's right there. I don't know if you want to. Well, we got some returns to do, other stuff. Thanks for stopping by. It's been great to see you. Like this video, subscribe. We got lots more van life stuff coming. We'll see you in the next one.
See you there.